Imagine a world where your data infrastructure is not just a tool, but a dynamic force driving innovation. Today, many organizations are held back by the constraints of on-premise systems, limited scalability, high costs, and cumbersome maintenance. But what if there was a better way? Introducing Azure Data Factory, a fully managed cloud-based service designed to transform your data management approach. Azure Data Factory, or ADF, offers unparalleled scalability and flexibility, dynamically adjusting resources to meet the demands of any data volume, complexity, or velocity. No more manual infrastructure management during growth or data spikes. ADF handles it all seamlessly. Cost efficiency is at the core of ADF's offering. But it's not just about cost savings. ADF integrates effortlessly with a multitude of modern data ecosystems, including Azure Synapse, Azure Data Lake, and Azure SQL, as well as on-premises sources. Need to deploy new data pipelines quickly? ADF's low-code, no-code interface and pre-built activities accelerate deployment, boosting agility and delivering faster time to value. Global accessibility and high availability are built into ADF, ensuring your data operations are always on, wherever you are. For those tackling big data and real-time processing, ADF offers native support for tools like Apache Spark, Hadoop, and Databricks. Real-time data ingestion becomes a reality, not just a possibility. Automation and monitoring are key features, with trigger-based pipelines and robust logging, making your data operations smarter and more efficient. Transitioning to ADF is also about future-proofing your business. With a cloud-first strategy, you're set to embrace AI, machine learning, and advanced analytics with ease. Security is paramount, and ADF delivers enterprise-grade protection with Azure Active Directory integration and compliance with industry standards. Finally, migrating to ADF allows you to decommission those legacy systems that drain resources and hinder innovation, freeing your IT team to focus on what truly matters. The time to innovate is now. Transition to Azure Data Factory and transform your data infrastructure into a powerhouse of efficiency and growth. We can help. Reach out.